In front of me is the DOOGEE T30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is gray, which means that location is disabled. To enable it, hit the same one again. You can also just go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!